Hey, if you want to sign up for Zoom, you can do that and you can host meetings and you can do Zoom for free forever. Now, there are some limitations, but it's not like a 30-day trial or anything. You get complete free sign up. So you click on the link below in the description. You do have to give your date of birth. Don't worry, that data isn't stored, but that's just to make sure that you are over a certain age so that you can use Zoom. Now, when you set up your account in Zoom, you can host a meeting or you can just join somebody else's meeting. They will send you the link with the invitation. Now, if you're signing up with email, you can go and change your profile picture up here. And that picture is just going to show when you don't have your video turned on. And if you want to join a meeting or host a meeting, you can do it with your video off. You don't have to have your camera on. And if you do want to turn on your camera, you can click Start Video at any time. And then you are on camera. But you can turn it straight off again, nice and easy. Also, if you've got some background noise or you want to mute yourself, you just click on this mute button, mute my audio. And if you are on mute, you do get a reminder that you are muted, so you need to unmute yourself if you want people to hear you. To drop out of a meeting, if it's your own meeting, you click End. And if you're a guest at somebody else's meeting and you're not a host, then you just click Leave Meeting. Now, there's a whole lot more that you can learn about Zoom, so check out the videos on my channel so that you can use Zoom more effectively.